Hello YouTube, here is part 4 of my trailer mobile GMRS repeater build here. I'm not totally done yet. I do have the mast holder installed, as you can see. We also are using the rope for the guide wires, or as guide wires. I put eye bolts in the corner. I got to adjust this. There's too much slack, but we'll fine tune that later. So it'll be about 24 feet in the air, hopefully. I didn't measure it. This is how the rack will sit. The rack is not mounted yet. I still have that to do. This kind of gives you an idea how it's going to look. Of course, it'll be a little higher than that because there's space between the rack and the ground, or the bottom of the trailer, or top, or the bed of the trailer. So there'll be a space there. So this will be a little bit higher. This is how it's going to look when it's all said and done, when the rack's in place. This pole is a painter's pole for the rollers. That's what I'm using. It just slides in there. This whole frame can come out with a couple bolts, couple screws, so I can have my trailer back. The rack too will also be bolted. But yeah, this is it. And then once I get the rack in there, what I'll do is I will, besides bolting the rack down, I'm going to run the chain through the rack and then through here, just for extra measure. And then we'll use trailer locks and all that stuff when I take it up to the bluff. But before we even do all that, I got to do some testing here, make sure everything works, make sure there's no interference of any sort. So once I get the rack mounted, I will start testing. I don't know if I'll do a video about that. I may or may not. I don't know. But we're getting there. We're almost to the point. One thing that I'm kind of debating on doing here, though, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to do it or not. Here's the coax cable, and I don't think no one will monkey with it, but I'm kind of debating if I should put that in some type of a pipe or something. Not all the way up, just enough where someone can't walk by and just, cut it or something. I don't know. I mean, I do have some PVC pipe I could throw it in there. The only problem is then I gotta do more fab work to hold the pipe and all that stuff. And then I got so much cable, I got 50 feet of it, that I'm just kind of coiling it. So I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. I wouldn't think someone would monkey with it, but you never know. You get some kids up there. So that's the only thing I'm kind of worried about, is the coax cable, leaving it exposed like that. But yeah, we're going to put turnbuckles on here so I can adjust the tension. Right now it's I got to do some tweaking on this, but we'll get this all preset so that all I got to do is clip it on, put the antenna up and clip this on. So, and each corner's got one of those. But yeah, that's what it's going to be like. There's the antenna. I'm going to guess it's probably about 24 feet. The top of the pole to the ground is about 24 feet, give or take a foot. I don't know if I'm going to measure it to be exact, but it's about the same length as it was in my other videos. But yeah, this is turning out pretty good. And then, like I say, this metal box does slide over the rack, so I'll have to slide it up. There's the lips that I was telling you about, that lock. This will slide up. So, but at any rate, there you are. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Thank you, and have a good day.